Pushrod Fury.
Pushrod Fury here. Getting ready for a big trip. Thought you'd like to see what I got laid out, what I'm bringing with me. Let's take a look at the gear. For helmet, we got the Shoei, the transition lens on that, and the pin lock. It's a little bit of a bummer. The pin lock kind of obstructs light from getting in, so about 20%. So it's not that good at night, but the transition lens is awesome during the day and of course at night. Some Reacts pants, the mesh fly jacket, some Scorpion gloves. These I don't like that much because I get a sunburn through that hole, so I gotta remember to put sunscreen on. So that's what I'll be wearing. It's my outer layer. If things get cold, I've got the Alpine Stars Andes jacket. And then typical cold weather gear. Got a turtle fur neck gaiter. I've got a cheapo Eddie Bauer fleece, a balaclava, just in case it gets chilly. Little back support. And then for cold weather rain, I've got the Dainese rain gloves, plenty of earplugs. So that's it for gear. I haven't decided on the boots yet. It's either going to be my Red Wings or my Tour Masters. I think I'm going to wear the Tour Masters though. All right, for the bike, I've got the Oxford 3/4 cover there to keep the dew off of the bike and stuff, and it packs down real small. Just one microfiber cloth in here. Oh, this is important. Let's take a peek. I actually don't like this, but I have it. Got the air pump. It's so annoying because you have to screw it on to the Schrader valve and you lose pressure when you do that. And then, what do I got? Just a regular old pressure gauge. I had a fancy one, but it wasn't reading properly, so I'm just bringing this. And then this is my favorite. You know, this is the Dynaplug system, so you can look that up. And I'll put all this stuff in the links below, but the Dynaplug's awesome if you have a flat. So that's what I've got there. Got a tool roll that I put together for this trip. So I won't open it up, but you know, basic tools. Plenty of Torx bits. I think that's what holds the whole bike together. This little flexible tie-down guy. So that's for the bike-related stuff. Over here, in the camping supplies, got a pack towel, pillow, air pad. This is just a freebie that came with the Sportster when I had that. I'm gonna carry a couple of meals with me and some instant coffee, some electrolyte tablets, and then got a handkerchief, my overnight kit, which is kind of mostly air, so I might put that in a smaller pack. Flip-flops for using showers, pair of sneakers, floppy hat, sunglasses, and that's it for my clothes, everything you see in there. And so this is it. This is 3 weeks worth of goodies. The other thing I didn't show you is right here. It's a sleeping bag. That's because I'm not going to pack that into its stuffed sack until the last minute, because that's no good for the sleeping bag. I'll show you the cases that I'll carry. It's just the Bmw Hard Luggage. So I've got my 2 side cases and the top case. And let's see, then one other case I'm bringing is this. So let me get this situated here. So it's a Viking tail bag, but I'm going to use it as a backseat bag. So I'm just going to put it in the passenger seat. And this holds a good amount. I'm going to try to put the clothes and the overnight bag into the Viking bag, and that way I can just leave my hard luggage attached and then be sort of methodical about where I'm putting things. So I'll pack it all up. I'll try to keep my cold weather gear in one bag. I'll try to keep the motorcycle related stuff, which hopefully I don't need to access a lot, in another bag, and the clothes in the top bag, and see how that goes. Let's get going. We're going to leave Jersey City. I had grand visions of showing you like the New York skyline before the beginning of the trip, but I'm running out of daylight, so just trust me. Leaving from Jersey City. Let's see where we end up. We'll have a little bit of road footage along the way. All right, see you on the road. Night one of the adventure, the Hickory Run State Park Campground in Pennsylvania. We got some pretty good weather coming through, so I'll have a picture of the radar on there. But I'll put my earplugs in, hope that I don't develop any leaks in this tent, and hope the storm clears out by tomorrow. All right, good night.